In this video, I'll show you how to add eBay reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I have added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for elf site. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the review section, and down below you will find eBay reviews. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the right corner of the window, you can click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. From here, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 6 options. On the source section, this is where you can add your eBay profile feedback or product link to display your reviews. To do that, head over to eBay. On eBay, you just want to head over to your profile or your product, and at the very top, simply highlight the whole text, press on Ctrl+C to copy, and then head over back to elf site. Now, once you're done, you can have an AI-generated summary on your reviews. If you click on this one, what you can do is toggle this on or toggle this off, and if you keep it on, you can change the summary style to a list or a text, as well as toggle the text typing animation, as well as the AI picture animation. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout from a carousel to a grid, a masonry, or a list, and if you click on the See All Layouts button, you'll be able to view all of the layouts that you can choose from. Once you're done, just simply head over to the top and the right-hand side, and then click on Done. Below, you can also customize your layout. You can change your width, the columns, rows on desktop, rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. And if you have a carousel or a slider layout, you will have an autoplay option. You can toggle this on or toggle this off, and what you can also do is change the animation as well as the scroll mode. On the header section, this is where you can change your header style, and you have a few options to choose from. Now, below each and every style, there will be different types of elements. What you can do is check or uncheck these elements if you don't want to, or if you want to add them. Below, you can also have a widget title, and if you want to toggle this off, you will have an option to do so. Below the widget title, you can add a title as well as a caption. On the review section, you can change your review style, and you have 3 options to choose from. Below, what you could also do is change the review source style. And at the bottom, if you click on Customize, you can show the things that you want to show within your reviews. On the Style section, you can change the color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on how you want it to be. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to the page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio website designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio website designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to click on Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed and Social. Onto Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to click on the top and click on enter code. And on the left hand side, you want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate. So anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. And once you're done, simply press on Ctrl V to paste the code. At the bottom, you want to click on update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget, and on the corners of the frame, you will see these circles. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elf site. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to Customize Text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. Simply click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code. On the left-hand side, we just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V. Under Font Family, this is where you can change into the font that you want it to be, and once you're done, simply click on the Update button here below so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have eBay reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.